Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for the latest tips and tricks for free. Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will see how to save WhatsApp status video of a contact in your Android device. Now at first what we will do is we will go ahead and check which contacts have WhatsApp status video uploaded in their status. For that one, we'll open WhatsApp. We'll go to status. I have these two contacts here who have video as the status in their WhatsApp. So if I want to save WhatsApp status video of any of this contact, then I can save it. Now for that one, what we will do is we will go ahead and open this Samsung folder and we'll go to my files. Now if you don't have this Samsung folder, then you can use any file explorer app for Android device such as ES Explorer. Now I will open internal storage. I will scroll down and I'll go to WhatsApp. I will go to media here, and from here what I will do is I'll tap on this more option here, go to settings, and then I will enable show hidden files. Now I will go back and I have this folder here now, status. I'll open it. Now these are the videos which my contact have uploaded in their WhatsApp. So if I want to save any of the status video, then I can do it. For that one, I will tap and hold the video, then I will tap on more option here, move, then I can save this WhatsApp status video either in internal storage, or I can save it to external card. For example, if I want to save it to external card, I will go to SD card. Then I can save this video in any of these folder, or if I want to create a new one, I will select create folder, and then I will give a name to the folder. Let me give video and then create. So once I have created video, then what I will do is I will select done. Now you can see this video has been saved to video folder in SD card. So this is how you can save WhatsApp status video of a contact. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.